recently launched the Mi Band 3 in India, and like most of you, I was excited to see what it has to offer over Mi Band 2. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. No wonder they sold 5 million units in less than 3 months, and with their recent entry in Indian market, the numbers are only going to go high. And like I always say, if you're using something frequently, then make sure you use it effectively. Sure, the Mi Band 3 comes with some really handy features like notification alert and call rejection, along with some previous options like heart rate monitor, sleep tracker, and all of them are pretty good. But what more can you do with it? Can you use it to control your device camera or even your music player? How about you set up a smart alarm instead of regular one? Well, it turns out you can. While Xiaomi's Mi Fit app doesn't allow this feature natively, you can always use third-party application to go with it. So what are we waiting for? Let's check them out. So the first thing that I wanted to do with my Mi Band 3 is to change the YouTube music that's played on my TV connected via Chromecast. Or maybe if you're traveling in a crowded public transport and you want to change the music on your phone without taking out of your pocket, then you may find it useful. So here is how it looks like. If I tap on my Mi Band, it will play a next video on YouTube. Pretty neat. To get it working, simply install the Mi Band function button from Play Store. It says the app is only for Mi Band 2, which comes with a dedicated hardware button, but fortunately it also works with Mi Band 3. It's little tricky though, but we will figure it out. So to get it working, open up the application and paste the MAC address of your Mi Band, which essentially is the Bluetooth address, which you can find in the Mi Fit app. Once done, connect it. Now from the option, you can single tap to change the music, or you can pick something else. Unfortunately, since there is no hardware button in Mi Band 3, the double tap and the triple tap are useless. Next, select the music player app like YouTube. I also tried it with Spotify and well, the connection was spotty. However, I have been using it with the YouTube app for past 3 days and it works flawlessly. Now once you do all of that, simply play a playlist on YouTube app. Now when you single tap on the Mi Band app while the screen is off, you can see that it will skip to the next song. Now, since I don't take selfies much, I can't see the utility of this, but given the fact that this application has 100,000 downloads, I can clearly see why people are searching for it. So as it turns out, you can also use your Mi Band 3 to take pictures as well. To set this up, download the Mi Band 2/3 or Amazfit Selfie app from Play Store. The name is mouthful. Anyways, follow the same process like you did in the previous one. Link your Mi Band with the application using the Bluetooth number and there you go. Well, actually there's one thing more. You will also need the proprietary camera app which you can download from the links below. The weird part is, since there is no physical button on Mi Band 3, you will need to use the silent option to trigger the camera. So head over to your Mi Band 3 and go to the silent option and press and hold it to take a picture, or you can also use it to record a video as well. Again, not sure why people wanna use that, but it works. My favorite application has to be Mi Band Tools. It's like Mi Fit application on steroids. So pretty much both the application have same options, but Mi Band Tools have added level of customization. Once you download the application, connect it with your Mi Band 3 just like you did before. And you can also test your connection with vibration and text display. Now let's see what makes it better than the Mi Fit app. For example, you know that you can set up an alarm in Mi Fit app, but in Mi Tools, you can also set up a smart alarm, which will analyze your sleeping pattern and wake you up in light sleep instead of deep sleep. So far, I have only tested it for 3 days, so it's hard to say if it's consistent or not. That being said, my experience is definitely not negative. Similarly, the native Mi Fit app also doesn't offer the snooze alarm feature, so I can always use the Mi Tools for that. Once you have this feature enabled, the band will constantly vibrate in your hand, and if I have to turn it off, then I will have to shake my phone, making my wake up process a lot more intuitive. Another awesome feature worth pointing out is Sleep as Android integration, which you can use to analyze your sleeping pattern. Again, something that's missing in the Mi Fit app. And then there are other options like customizing your contacts and app notifications, etc., with which you can set up filters for each contact. So say if I want to get a WhatsApp notification from a particular contact only, then you can use it. And didn't I forget, it also has a tasker integration, so the possibility is limitless. And finally, you can also set up nap reminders. So if you're someone who likes to take power nap during your work, well, you have that in Mi Tools. Overall, the app is really powerful and offers more features than the native Mi Fit app. but it comes with the price of $4, which is totally worth in my opinion. So these are some of the ways to get more out of your Mi Band 3. It also works with Mi Band 2, but if you're using a Mi Band 2, I will highly recommend upgrading to Mi Band 3. It's worth it. That said, let me know which is your favorite hack in the comment section below. As always, it's Minal signing off. I will see you in the next one.